inch and a quarter washer, so it's perfectly same width as this. So by drawing the circle, I know the center is there, but there's a lot of ways you can measure it and get that center. So if I can do that, it just made my life a little bit easier to find the center. I go halfway, which is exactly that 3/4 inch there. Is exactly what it is, halfway. So if I do this, it's pretty close. Pretty close to halfway. So before I drill the next hole, actually I could drill this hole here because I have to go 3 inches down for the handle. But the other holes to join up with the larger pieces, with the two larger pieces, you have to be careful because they are left and right sides. So you have to be careful of that. Let me drill out the rest of the. Okay, remember where I said there's the left and the right? I almost screwed up here. This is going to be on the outside, and this is going to be on the inside. So this is wrong. We have to flip it, and 3 inches from the bottom, right there. I'm using the square because I'm just leveling at the bottom here, feet. And this here, it would be for the handle, 3/4 inch hole for the handle. So let's go drill these out. So after drilling them out, they're in the back, and this here are opposites. Okay, these are the 19 and quarter pieces. Don't look at that. That was the numbers over here is not right. So 19 and a quarter pieces. That's what these are. So you only do 2, which are the inside. And then from here we're going to cut a dowel 8.5 inches long. 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. So we'll do that. 8.5 right there. So from the bottom now I'm going to measure 13 and a quarter, like so. You have your 2 inner pieces here. So you have your 8.5 inch dowel. Put that in there. I'll be gluing this, but right now just for test purposes. And then you get your 3/4 inch dowel here, 1 each side. Now you get your longer pieces here, and put it on here. See, 3/4 inch just leaves you that little gap that you need. It works out perfect. So, and over here, and wait, wrong. Oh, right side. Okay, good. Okay. Now the other 3/4 piece goes here. And then you have the other long piece, flip around, goes in like so, up here. Now you get your last small piece over here on this side. That's it. Now you do the same on the other side. So, like so. Long piece. Here, so like so, short piece, like so. Okay, so it is 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 3 on each side, not 4. I said 4 in the video earlier, but it's 3. So basically that's it. And then it will Hey, this is the point of the video. Well, those likes and subscriptions really help. Don't forget to click on that like and subscription. Thank you. So here I'm going to go 3 inches from the bottom. So 3 inches right here. Now, you're going to be overlapping slightly, so just measure that. Yeah, put it that way. So I'm just going to. Now, I'm going to do the same on the opposite side. I just put some clips there to hold them together so there's no spacing at all. I don't want to screw that up. The next we're going to be doing the tops. So. Tighter. See, now you can just line it up with this one and just use your marker as to make sure. There we go. Perfect. Oh, right on nails. I'll explain it. Be right back. So the one side is done now, so we're going to flip it over. Okay, so we'll flip it over. Now, we don't need the spacer anymore. This, we have already spaced out with the feet and that side there. So we do have to squeeze these in a bit because wood does warp and whatnot. So at least until we get that first one in. Now keep in mind I screwed up when I did the other. I did another one with dowels. I screwed up. I did the inside. We already I did the outside and the inside. I got disoriented. I don't know what I did, but when you're doing this side, remember you did the outside. Now you got to do the inside. Keep that in mind. So here we go. To secure a little bit better. Just put this out of the way here, bring it up, and I will be putting screws in here. We have a table upside down, so what I did was I used some spacers here and over there, actually see, over here, to keep the same spacing as in between. I adjusted the sides so they're even. Top here, so they're even, and tight this way. Now you could put a clamp on there. You don't really need to. It stays as long as you don't move it. And I cut some pieces. You can make this any size. I made these, I think, 3/4 by 3/4, and I made it. The length doesn't really matter. I made it just shorter than what I have on the table there. I just aim the camera there. So what we have to do is keep the spacing. So one of them is going to be overlapping, flush with this side or flush with that side, whatever way you want to go. As long as when you put the two pieces, they're touching. Even go half and half, as long as they're touching, keep that space. Okay, so let's get to that. On my drawings I put 37-degree angle, but you can just take one of these 3/4 inch pieces. It lines up to the top perfectly, and all you do is, there you go, you got your angle. This was a fun little project to do that anybody at any level can do. A little bit of practice and a little bit of knowledge, and it's done. It's easy to do. Enjoy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.